Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily Dvar. And here's a brand new Halacha for you, and it's for Sunday, 13th day of January. Today we're going to continue with yesterday's law. Yesterday we had taught you that you're not supposed to give father and son or brother and brother back-to-back aliyahs to the Torah, to be called up. And the reason is because it causes a lot of animosity and ayin hara, which means an evil eye, when the other people of the shul get jealous. Therefore, you should split them apart, like give the father aliyah number 3, somebody else aliyah number 4, and then the son like aliyah number 5. Okay, today we teach you several exceptions to this rule. One exception is if the father is given an aliyah and the next aliyah is given to the son, but there's like a lot of stuff going on in between. Like, for example, the father was called up to the last aliyah to the Torah, then another Torah is brought out, and the son is called up to the next aliyah in another Torah. That's quite a separation between the two aliyahs. That would not be considered a problem of father and son back to back, or of brother and brother back to back. Also, if let's say you're in a congregation where some of you might not be familiar with this, but some congregations actually have the people come up to the Torah and they're not called by name. They'll just say, Yamod Revi'i, step up now, the person who has Revi'i. If you're doing it that way, then father and son back to back, or brother and brother back to back, is not considered a problem. And the reason is because much less attention is being paid to who they are, because they're not even being called up by name. So in that situation it would be okay. Also, if the father and son team or the brother and brother team are Hagba and Galila, one of them is lifting the Torah and one of them is wrapping the Torah, that's not considered a problem of two aliyahs being too close to each other. I know Hagba and Galila are done together, but those two honors being done in a tag team fashion are not considered a problem of, too much attention being paid to one family. And lastly, if you called up a father to aliyah number 3, let's say, and then you called up somebody else to aliyah number 4, not the son, and that aliyah number 4 person was a no-show, can't find him. So then you can call up the son to aliyah number 4 as the replacement. It won't look like you've been favoring the father and the son, because you legitimately tried to have someone else come up to aliyah number 4. They just weren't available. So if it happens that way, father and son could be back to back. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.